Hello lovely people, you are welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If this is your first time, to my returning subscribers, much appreciate, and to my new subscribers, welcome on board. This question is from Femi. He said, "Good morning Sister Halima, and how is your family back home? I just want to calm your attention to the new residency law in Kuwait. Hope is not a way to stop Africans and other parts of the world to come to Kuwait, not to come to Kuwait, and what is your say over it?" Good morning, dear brother. Alhamdulillah, they are all doing good. And what about you? Okay, about the new law about the residency in Kuwait here. The cabinet on Tuesday approved a new draft residency law which include major changes from the existing 60-year-old legislation and toughness penalties on violators, in addition to banning giving shelter to illegal expats. An official statement said. The approval came during the cabinet weekly meeting headed by acting Prime Minister and Interior and Defense Minister Sheikh Yusuf. It becomes effective. A cabinet statement said the new draft residency law aims at banning trading in residencies and determination of rules that govern deporting expats, in addition to increasing penalties on violators of the residency law. The new law consists of 7 chapters that govern and explain the rules for the entry of expats, informing authorities trading in residencies. One of the articles prohibits trading in residencies by facilitating the entry of expats through a visa or work visa or renewing them against money or benefits. Another article prohibits employers from forcing recruited expats from working in jobs other than specified in the work permit. It also bans employers from allowing their employees to work for others without a license from the Interior Ministry and prohibits employers to withhold wages of their employees. So yes, those of us who have been asking about doing double job in Kuwait here, okay, for you to do part-time job in Kuwait, you need to get a permission from the company, okay, before you go ahead to do that. The law prohibits expats working for others without obtaining a permit from their government employers or from concerned authorities. The law also bans sheltering expats or employing them, whether their residency are valid or expired, and bans renting houses to illegal expats. So these illegal expats are those who came here through company or under sponsorship, then run from the company or run from the house and then working by their own. So those are the illegal expats. So sometimes some of them, if you run from your company or your house because you don't have your papers with you, you cannot even send money or to rent apartment. So sometimes those who have the papers rent the apartment for them. You see, so all these things you need to be careful about that. Okay, so the new law obligates sponsors of expats to notify the Interior Ministry in case their visas or temporary and permanent residences had expired. Okay, so that is it, because sometimes some people be like, oh, if you run and then you start working outside, you'll be earning a lot of money. It is true that working outside by your own, you are earning a lot of money. For example, those of us who are working in the house, if you run from your contract house, then you get your own job working as a house help, the same job, you can be earning like 250 KD or 200 KD a month, not like you under contract, you see. But that one, you don't have papers, and then if something happens to you or when they catch you, trust me, they are going to deport you directly. So my dear, this new residency law doesn't say maybe they are not accepting visas. They do, okay, only if there is job, okay, or if they are hiring people, yes, they give visas, okay. It doesn't affect anything. So I think you are doing many more research, right? Because yeah, I can see, because this information, it was yesterday that I heard it, but because you asked, that is why I also want to talk more about it, so that we all learn and know what we should do when we reach here. So when you come here, don't be part of the illegal expand, okay? Don't be part of the illegals one. Be legal. Be under the company. Take your time and work for the company. When it is time, then you counsel and know what to do next. By that time, you know more about the country, you know your left and right, you have the experience more. So that is it, okay? So Kuwait is giving visas, okay, only if there is job opportunity in any company. They do hire people, yes, but follow the right process and come here. So if you've watched to this point, I really appreciate you a lot. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.